This girl is toxic, get in an argument, she got no logic. Told her stop it, but she gon' unblock me. I don't want you and you know you don't want me. Tell me you love me, but you know you bluffing. Why in the world am I still even talking? I'm out the house and I'm running. Running from you and I'm running from loving. Grabbing my passport, I'm moving to Dublin. Currency doubling, currently hustling. Locking my heart, throw the key in the ocean. Broken emotions, cannot control it. Feeling so hopeless and lonely. Will anyone ever hold me? Will anyone ever hold me? Will anyone ever hope for me?